Hey guys, we received this Eggmazing Egg Decorator, so the Dragon Egg 6 pack for test and try. This includes a 3D printed dragon inside the eggs, and you can also color these eggs. They are the plastic eggs, really nice and big size. See, like this easy, and there are small 3D printed dragons inside. Really looks cool and good. Nice color and nice quality for this dragon as well, and the eggs look good. You can also colors and color these eggs to fun. See, like it's just you can come and you can just close this back, reusable eggs. And also you can color these eggs. I will show you, like there is a separate egg decorator from this company, and you can look at that one as well. So here all the different eggs. So these are, I opened up everything. So all six eggs with the six different dragons. Really nice, cool design, nice colors, and nice overall look. So nice combination, but all are different designs and different colors, so that's a good thing. And it can be as a treasure hunt for the kids and great for the Easters. So but the color combinations are really good. You can also get this egg decorator separately, and you can color these eggs, like put in this machine and then colors with this supplied eggs. This is a separate product, and you can color these ones. Overall, I will say nice color and nice eggs, nice quality, and nice 3D printed dragons to play with, and have fun for the kids.